True luxury begins before the first cut. It starts with the grain. Precision is not just a requirement here, it is the only standard allowed. The diamond quilt, a signature silhouette executed with a mathematical rhythm. Volume, texture, and history woven into a single piece of art. Metal meets leather, an intricate dance of strength and elegance. The final polish, where a simple logo transforms into a global legacy. The click of assurance, a sound that resonates across generations. Timeless, iconic, unmistakable.
Subscribe to not miss new secrets.